There are 5 advanced functions available within the setTableRows command. These functions will allow you to interrogate and manipulate data in a table. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the contains and count interrogation functions. To save time, we have already included behavior to populate the table when the app opens. We have also partially completed the behavior on the buttons, but will need to complete the properties. We will use the input field at the top to choose which data to interrogate in the 4th city column in the table. Let's start with the contains function, which will check if a specific piece of data, or city in this example, is found in the table column. In the setTableRows command, we need to select which table to look at, and we also need to choose the advanced option. The advanced functions will work with data in a single column in the table. We will choose the city column. The function is selected next. In this example, that's contains. Finally, we need to specify what piece of text we want to find. Click the text button to open the formula composer. In this example, we will look for whatever text is in the city input field on the app, but other options are also available in the formula composer. The contains function will return a success response if the text exists in one or more of the rows in the city column. To test for this, we will use a simple branch command with the special condition last command was successful. If the interrogation is successful, the message on the true path will be triggered. This message confirms that the city entered is found. If the interrogation is unsuccessful, the message on the false path will be triggered. Let's preview the app to check the logic. We can see that Madrid does exist in the table, so let's use that as an example. A successful interrogation returns the message that Madrid exists at least once in the city column of the table. We can try again with a name that doesn't exist in the table and get a different result. Our next example, count, will return the number of rows in a column that contains the specified text. Once again, we select the table to interrogate, the advanced option, the city column, and this time the count function. The input field is where we will find the city name to check. The message this time doesn't need any condition to check if the interrogation was successful, but instead can use the special parameter last behavior's return value, which will return how many times the chosen city appears in the city column. Let's preview the app again and check what we get when looking for London in the city column. We will look at the manipulation functions in a separate tutorial.